Let me introduce the firstly is the motor. It is from CMS, the famous brand. It will keep displaying of the displaying of for heating pump. This is the mechanical coping, and you can read some messages through the, so this is great. Number, nominal pressure, filtration gap used temperature, and this is the heating pump. This is the heating pump. It connects with the motor through the magnetic couplings. And this is the filter. It is used to filter out the impurity through the pure material. You can see the material fall into this place. It will through the filter and filter out the impurities, and it will follow through the heating pump, and go through this paper here, and it will finally just reach the machine head here. There is 8 in the machine head, 4 peppers for material, two peppers is a feeding pepper, and 2 peppers is a return pepper, and 4 peppers is for the hydraulic system. Control 3 peppers is here, and here. Let's go on. You see, this is the material tag, polyurethane tag, and it's sanitary tag. It is very big, and about 500 liter. Normally, our tax is 28 liter, 28 liter, 28 liter, and all other tax we can customize, such as 1,000 liter. It is designed by the product you produce. If a small product, such as PU cornice, PU catch stone like this, here, catch stone. This produce more product, so the material output will be very small, and 180 little tech is enough. For this 500 little, you can use to make some bigger product, such as the pure pepper, and this is rigid form, and also大的有哪些？没有了。Or sandwich panel. Also need this. Look at this. This is 4 meter. It is you to detect, inspect, 侦测 check 检测。我说，这是 inspect 什么？监测 monitor It is used to monitor the flow rate of the inside paper, the material,
Yes.
such as how many grams 1 second. How many it will show in the touch screen. The it's centimeter millimeter and for the audio millimeter. Then you press them, you can get the final output of this machine. If its quantity is 200, 200 grams 1 second, and for oil is 200 grams 1 second, so the final output is 400 grams 1 second. This is for rigid form. Usually the mixing ratio is 100 to 100. And so if if you want to make soft form, such as the pillow, such as a pillow, ear pillow, and the car seat, it is it needs the soft form high pressure formation. How to distinguish the rigid form and the soft form machine? It is decided by the meeting pump. You can see also another meeting pump on the other side. This is for two tanks. One tank has one meeting pump. If you have three tanks, it will equip three meeting pump. Max four tanks. Three cans of polyurethane tank and one is semi-tight. If you want four tanks, I suggest you purchase another machine. Two sets of machine. The same is similar price. And if it is a rigid form machine, the meeting pump is the same. This and that. It's the same model. Because the rigid form usually it is 100 to 100 the mixing ratio. For soft form, the mixing ratio is different. Maybe 100 to 50 or 100 to 40, maybe on 100 to 80. So the meeting pump is different. We'll get more. This is a center tech. So this meeting pump will be smaller output than the meeting pump of a polyoleo. So it can pump a few smaller material. Maybe you see if it is 100 grams 1 second, it is 60 grams 1 second. Just now I sent you the pictures of the finally product is the pillow car seat.